जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं लंदन में रात हो चुकी है, रात की स्याही मगरिब पर छा चुकी है। मैं इस वक्त ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर में मौजूद हूँ। ये बहुत ही मशहूर जगह है लंदन की, और क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्रिसमस की आमद है तो यहाँ पर एक सेरेमनी हो रही है। उस हवाले से आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं कुछ खवातीन कैरल सिंगिंग कर रही हैं, इसे क्रिसमस कैरल सर्विस बोलते हैं, और ये गाने गा रही हैं, सिंगिंग कर रही हैं, और बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं इन्हें सुनने के लिए। तो ये क्रिसमस की आमद की वजह से सेलिब्रेशन हो रही है यहाँ पर। जैसा कि मैंने प्रोग्राम के शुरू में कहा था कि हम ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे इस प्रोग्राम में कि पाकिस्तान के हवाले से या इस्लाम के हवाले से यहाँ के लोग क्या सोचते हैं। तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग मौजूद हैं, आइए उनसे बात करते हैं और इस सवाल का जवाब लेने की कोशिश करते हैं। मेरे साथ दो खवातीन हैं, इनसे बात करते हैं। हेलो लेडीज।
Hello.
वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
Australia.
फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया। एंड यू?
Australia also.
ओके, सो यू हियर ऑन अ विजिट?
Sorry?
You're here on a visit?
No, we've been living here for 2 years. Yeah, so
Okay, so you're celebrating Christmas here.
we're actually celebrating in New York, so we're trying to get...
Tell me, have you heard about Pakistan?
Yes, we have.
What have you heard about Pakistan?
That it's a nice place.
You've ever been to
No,
Pakistan?
I haven't. I hear that you have quite a lot of...
But you wish to go to
I'd
Pakistan?
like to go to Pakistan, yes.
What for? What for? What have you heard about Pakistan?
Tea? You have a good cricket team.
यहाँ सब जानते हैं कि हाल ही में एक बरतानवी अदालत ने पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेटर्स को एक करप्शन केस में सजा सुनाई है। ये खवातीन जब पाकिस्तान की क्रिकेट टीम का जिक्र करके मुस्कुराने लगी तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि तंजियां हंस रही। पता नहीं तंज था या इनकी खुश अखलाकी, लेकिन मैंने कह दिया ज़्यादा खुश होने की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि अगली बार पाकिस्तानी टीम ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम को हराने वाली है।
Can you name some of the players that you like in the Pakistani cricket team?
Oh,
No.
we can't. No.
No, we don't know any. But they play Australia
We just
sometimes.
know that you have a good cricket team. We don't know the players.
So you think that the Australian cricket team is better or the Pakistani one?
Oh, I think Australia.
Pakistan has recently done very well in cricket. They beat Sri Lanka, they beat Bangladesh, and they're going to beat Australia, I'm telling you.
Oh, congratulations. Well, good luck. Does Ricky Ponting still play? I don't know.
Whoever is playing in the Australian team, but I'm telling you they're going to beat Australia this time and in the World Cup final.
Well, good luck to you, Pakistan.
Are you a Christian by religion?
No.
Okay, but have you heard about Islam?
Yes.
And what is your perception of Islam?
I think
Somebody belonging to some other religion. What religion you follow?
I think people are people. I was raised Catholic, but I think people are people, and
What religion you presently follow?
I'm atheist. None.
So what is your perception of Islam?
I don't know that it's a great religion for the people that follow it. I have no negative attitude towards it. If that's
And
what
you
you're asking.
and you have no negative image of Pakistan as well.
I understand that you have a lot of troubles in Pakistan, but I would never
We can't
think.
judge.
We can't judge. We haven't been there. We're not Pakistani, so how can we judge?
But what we've seen here in West is that the Western media talks a lot about Pakistan, and most of the times it's presenting or promoting negative things about Pakistan.
Of course it is.
So you guys do understand the difference between the negativity which is promoted by the media and the actual reality.
Of course. Of course.
But you believe there is extremism in Pakistan, there is negativity in Pakistan to some extent.
That is what we understand. Yes. Yes.
जी नाज़रीन, एक बुजुर्ग शख्सियत भी मेरे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद हैं, आइए इनसे भी बात करते हैं। हेलो सर,
How are you doing?
हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
I'm doing very well. Are you well?
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच। यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग क्रिसमस हियर?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. So you are a Christian by religion?
Yes, I'm Roman Catholic.
Okay. Okay. Have you heard about Pakistan?
Yes.
What have you heard about Pakistan?
Well, they're a major country in the subcontinent.
Okay.
Like Ireland, they were occupied by the British for a long time.
What is your perception of Pakistan?
I think Pakistan needs to look after its own destiny. I think that this might not be happening. I think that the media does not treat Pakistan perhaps as fairly as they should. I think there are probably factors in Pakistan who are getting more attention than they deserve, and they
For example?
the people who collaborated in keeping Bin Laden there, the people who helped the Taliban, I don't think that most Pakistani.
Do you know that the Pakistani army, the military, the ISI, the government were totally oblivious of the fact that bin Laden was there in Pakistan?
Well, this is what we're told. I don't know.
Okay. Tell me your opinion about Islam.
Islam. My opinion really is the same as it is for my own religion or any others, that religion is a personal thing, and if we, each of us, in whichever or to whichever religion we belong, look, I think there are two things. You look after your own people and you do not hurt other people. I think that if you do that, then you will not be doing too much wrong.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for talking to us. Is this your wife? Hello, madam, how are you? So, how long you've been together?
51 years.
51 years, congratulations, you've just completed the Golden Jubilee then.
Last year, yes. Yes.
So, what is your opinion about Pakistan?
My opinion about Pakistan, I really wouldn't like to say one way or the other because I don't know enough about Pakistan. I know it is a country. I know that they have a cricket team. I know not much else really. And I know that Islam is probably the religion from it. But
okay, other than Pakistan, if we talk about Islam, do you have anything to say then?
no.
Because you don't know much about it.
I'm not going to criticize what I don't know enough about. Okay?
So, you like your husband?
No. I've tolerated for 51 years, you know.
And what about you?
Oh, I love her.
Oh. That's great. You do make a wonderful couple. All the best. नाज़रीन, हमारी बात हो रही थी यहाँ पर एक बूढ़े कपल से. आपने उनकी बातें सुनी. जो मर्द थे उन्होंने तो मुख्तलिफ ख्यालात का इजहार किया पाकिस्तान के हवाले से, इस्लाम के हवाले से. जो खातून थी उन्हें इतना कुछ खास पता नहीं था पाकिस्तान के बारे में, सिवाय इसके कि पाकिस्तान की एक क्रिकेट टीम है. इस्लाम के बारे में उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा मालूमात नहीं है, इसलिए मैं उसे तनकीद का निशाना नहीं बनाऊंगी. और पर्सनल लेवल पे उन्होंने कहा, जब मैंने उनसे पूछा कि आपको अपने हस्बैंड, अपने शौहर पसंद है, तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं, मैं पिछले 50 साल से इसे बर्दाश्त कर रही हूँ. लेकिन शौहर ने कहा कि मैं इनसे बहुत मोहब्बत करता हूँ. If I ask you right now that what is your perception of the Pakistani society, what will be your answer?
Quite dangerous.